Mrs. Cornean Talanya Magnaye Chimentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Cornean Talanya Magnaye, Quezon the First. I not bother if myself is residence or tawag in here, living, letter L, letter I, letter V, letter I, letter N, letter G, and other country for yearly or multiple of year. I not bother myself. Socialization, it is based on my body movement indoor. What I like is neighborhood. Oh, neighborhood. What had a neighborhood? I am saying that because my situation, truthfulness here, Philippines is being killed. And then they getting feeling. Here, Philippines, that is why bad person be dead. I have a socialization at foreigner. I am saying it because that is the truthfulness life of myself. I talk. The bad person be dead. Then I should paganda. Yeah, because they is Barbie look. Pointed nose. Envious is me. Beauty of them is on America. On myself, beautiness of them is on nose. Nose structure. But I am a girl. I not sight for boy gender. I just cite it. Tanzania. The introductory of boy gender foreigner on my life. Is on foreigner? No. Kuya Nicolas Marzuka is living here Philippines. I see his name maybe will be Ingari. Nicola Verlexco. From other country. Madami Indoor. Verlexco. That is what I will say. I not bother myself as well if I am working at Europa. What am I, why myself is saying this? Truthfulness, myself is being killed here Philippines. And then if I am the owner of Fork Mountain, not the word shameful, I wanted to bomb because this country uh, has no respect. Getting of not onto her, not onto them is no respect. myself vibes is prefer at America. Here at America. The corner in here is America. World map. World map is such this. This one is in here. America. In here. Europa. And then in here. Philippines. And then in here. Africa. Africa. Such this positioning. What is that? Oh, oh. The eye of myself, light brown. The small circle is unsteady. Only Corina says that the small circle is on body movement. Such this. What it is? Inhale, exhale. So it is such as I talk and then descriptive, illustrative of what myself being consistent, not on being leveling, but the self of myself is to the moment of consistent. Ganun. What I could feel at the moment is dizziness. I never dizziness. And then confused. I never confused. What is being used on confused? Getting my feeling, my uh, youth feeling. Youth. I am 29-year-old. The feeling that is being getting from me is youth feeling. Oh my god, those person that uses black magic. And then the next is the word confused is being put on the is being used. Alex Jr. ko brown skin color and then Alex Jr. ko kayo manggi skin color. It is 8 minutes and 13 seconds. Only 13 minutes and 32 seconds is I could do live with camera video. What else? Myself is being, when it comes on to confused, is alak, uh, alcohol beverage, even though I am not alcohol beverage drinker. What else? Hurting myself. The hurting myself wants to get the knife and then stabbing the chest. What else? I never hurt myself. Self-presence is steady. And then they is putting tug 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 on my heartbeat, even though my heartbeat is on silence. Such that. And then I eat pork during my consistency. And in here, they're doing a black magic. I am eating pork as well. And then veggies. In here, consistency, I eat mostly pumpkin. That is my favorite. And then veggies is I eat as well. What else? Oh, talking of words is in here. Uses black magic. myself could only talk Tagalog and English, and then listener on Spanish. That is only myself. And then Korean on mostly word being says. Name ko. And then word maganda ko is being emphasized in here. But on consistency, it is, my mouth is such this, oh. Ganun. Oh, they getting of what is mine. That is my insight. Oh, the faces of Philippine at this year, 20th century. Oh my God. Oh, I am slim body as well during high school. Ako niyan. Oh my God. Daldal ako. Oh, what else? Hmm. Mouth, spitting, saliva. On consistency, it is dry. Dry the content of balanced disease. It is such as dry but not dry. Weird, no? I am a girl gender. It is 12 minutes and 30 seconds the moment. I am girl gender. I am person living in this country. And then there is person, a specific person, anger on Philippine, which is from Philippine as well. Person. Kaloka. That is why my mm, facial reaction is such as, I not want the word reaction. My facial look is gulantang. There is anger ang Catholic. No, no. Yan na. It will end